I drink to make other people more interesting. Kind of a pompous thing to say, but still kind of funny. Apparently, that's an Ernest Hemingway quote. You know the famous author that wrote The Hunger Games?
Thank you for your consideration.
Either way, today we're making one of his favorite cocktails, or at least the modern version of it, the Hemingway Daiquiri. The story goes that Hemingway used to frequent the famous El Floridita bar in Havana, Cuba in the 1930s. One day, as he's passing through the bar, the bartender, Constantino Ribalagua, I'm probably not pronouncing that correctly, was making daiquiris. Hemingway ordered one and then ordered another one with double the rum and less sugar. And a daiquiri, just to explain, is just rum, lime, and sugar. If I remember correctly, they also served this over crushed ice, which means it was a tart, unbalanced, and slushy concoction, which is excellent if you're on a diet and just want to get annihilated. Anyway, this was named the Papa Doble, after Hemingway's nickname Papa, and of course the cocktail being a double. Later on, the drink was developed into something a lot more interesting, and this is what we today call a Hemingway Daiquiri. And now this. So for the ingredients, we're gonna need a white rum, and to be honest, I've never played around with different rums for this cocktail, but feel free to experiment with it and let me know what you come up with. Maraschino Liqueur, which is an Italian liqueur made from Marasca cherries. I talk about this in this video. But either way, this is a must-have for your home bar because it's used in a ton of cocktails. Grapefruit juice, lime juice, and a little bit of simple syrup. We're gonna start with half an ounce of simple syrup. Half an ounce of grapefruit juice. Three-quarter ounce of lime juice. Quarter ounce of Maraschino Liqueur. And 2 ounces of your rum. You can't go wrong with this cocktail. It's very easy to make, it's super refreshing, and unless you have some kind of allergy, maybe a grapefruit allergy, I would say make this cocktail for anyone. Anyone and everyone. Yep. You in the back, everybody's gonna love this. I see myself going down to the pool sitting with this or my balcony. It's a beautiful thing. Just remember to only use fresh juices. That is key though, especially for a cocktail like this where you're using grapefruit juice and lime juice. Fresh juices. Don't skip that step. Fresh juice. Also, if you don't have these cherries at home, go get them. Go get yourself one of these jars. I'll leave a link down below because they are divine. Anyway, I'm off to a party, but do me a favor and smash that hit button. Smash that hit button. That's funny. Hit that like button. All right, and I'll see you soon.